Wild toilet habits from different countries. Saudi Arabia, opening a skirt. Pakistan, smoking. Indonesia, spitting in the toilet. Philippines, flushing before finishing. Australia, shave pubes. Turkmenistan, back to front. Vietnam, spreading check. Russia, online shopping. Japan, a long time. Bangladesh, reading. South Korea, with partner. India, watching mobile. Austria, cleaning your ears. Ukraine, in pets company. USA, singing. UAE, playing video games. Belarus, pooping while standing. China, fully naked. Brazil, flushing when farting. Burundi, pooping in